Hi everyone. So this is the Yaesu FT-891. Now this is probably most likely the replacement of the FT-857D, even though this one doesn't have VHF, UHF. But I just got this recently. It's on sale and at HRO, and it's definitely less expensive than the 857D. Although they don't sell those, you get those on eBay. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. You've probably seen a lot of videos already in terms of, what's inside, but it gives you another perspective. Wow, well, this is new because this cardboard is really nice and stiff. Warranty card, okay. Manual, very similar to the 857D, very similar size. And there's other things in here, like a sticker. Radio, really nice, wow. Looks a bit smaller. Should be, right? You would think so. This is the front panel. Interesting. Okay. This dial is not way smaller, but it is smaller. Interesting. Okay. I'll put that away. I'll put it over here. Nothing in there. And just like the other videos that you've probably seen, power cord. And we'll probably put some Anderson power poles on it for it's ready to be placed on a power source. Okay. What else do we got in here? Oh yes, some screws. As I guess this is like a bracket. You can see it here. And the microphone. There's the usual suspect, MH31. And it has the clip here. Really nice. Okay, well, we're definitely going to use that. All right, we'll just put it back. And if you're familiar with Yaesu's packaging, it's very similar to what you've seen here. And some bracket is right here to put it somewhere. And then here the radio. This is interesting. This is new. I remember seeing that on the 857. Interesting weight. Okay, let's see. Interesting. Definitely, I believe it's smaller. Same type of material and looks very similar to the case of the 857. I'll do another video on that. And your, usual suspects. Let's see, ground, your antenna. This one right here is for your tuner. This one's your data port, which you can put audio through for digital. This is your USB for CAT. And I believe this one's for remote. This first one that's right here for remote. And then key. And then your speaker, which you can change into a headphone by, there's a switch here that you need to turn. And then over here, apparently that hole that's over here, that's for firmware update, apparently. I thought it was to lock down the machine, but it said for firmware. Then you have your power, right? That's nice that you can take it off, not like the 857. And your telephone jack. I forget what these jacks are called. And then you can put your speaker in there. I'm sorry. Well, your microphone, right? Okay, that's really nice. Okay. I guess we can open some of these things up very quickly if you've never done one of these. Now, this one is a plug that goes in here. You just need to make sure you plug it in right. You got let's see. The funny thing, it's always pointing down. There. It's plugged in there. Here's that switch I was telling you about. Let's see, speaker. You can move that over for speaker, and then over here for headphones. There's a little tiny little switch right there. This one, this telephone jack thing goes in there. Okay, very similar to the 857. And that's nice. You can sort of stand it up. Okay. And then this one goes in the corner here. And you gotta slide it. Well, you gotta well, that's a little bit different. There's a couple of arrows here. We'll see if we can see that in the video, but there's some arrows. Finally, should have thought about doing that with the 857. That's nice. Some part has to be. Let's see here. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa. Well, that's different. It's on the right side instead of the left side. Okay. You can push this down. You can push this down and slide it out. Oh, maybe that's probably a little bit better, isn't it? Oh, no wonder. Okay, let's do that again. Let's see. Kind of lined up. Not really. On the bottom. Well, this doesn't help, does it? But it's probably better like this. There you go. See? Those line up. We'll see if the video catches those arrows. And then you slide that. That's way better than the 857. Wow, has a little kickstand right here. So you can put it there. Very nice. Button seems to be smaller. Oh, this clicks. This is probably the AF or RF. No, RF, AF, right? Interesting. And the multifunction button right there. Larger screen. It's going to be really nice to turn it on and set it up. Okay, so that should give you an idea of the Yaesu FT-891, and definitely I'm going to compare it to a 857D, see if the lengths are comparable. All right, I hope this was useful. Give me a thumbs up, please, if you like this video. Subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. This is Frank, Kilo November 6, Bravo Sierra Tango. Bye-bye.